Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. Welcome back once again to the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, we are in the Make It Trick segment where mathematics is solved with the speed of light. Now, when you have a question like this, 12 divided by decimal, you don't need to bother yourself. All you need to do is just divide this 12 divided by 3. That's 4. How many zeros did you see here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 4,000. That's all. Let's look at this one. 15 divided by 0.3. Just divide this. 15 divided by 3. That's 5. How many zeros did you see here? 1. Add it here. And we have 45 divided by 0.05. 45 in 5, that's 9. How many zeros did you see here? 1, 2. 1, 2. That's 900. Now, look at this. 55 in 5. That's how many? 11. 55 divided by 5 is 11. How many zeros did you see here? 1, 2. 1, 2. And that's all. Okay, do this. Do this for me. These two, 1 and 2. Let me know the answers in the comment section. If you enjoyed today's trick, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. To meet again in the next Make It Trick segment. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.